Something that
It was really weird, but this kid like charged up and he's like, just hold it. This thing goes at him. Such a beast all the time. He's like, that's a snake.
This isn't fair.
Oh, that is the way I see it. It's like the same like I had one D plane.
Yeah.
Double D. Keep doing that.
I'm good where I am right now.
I mean, if you keep charging it, like top line charges or whatever, then you're just, you're supposed to do.
If I have to go, I'm like
80% or something.
no, like,
I think like once a month or something, let it run for like 30 something, and then charge it. What's that?
they have a new schedule too.
60 or more,
We're charging all the way back to our
No, of course, you know, we'll
So, let's add in in OB1, we're going to add in in network 3. Let's grab a normally open contact. And that's going to be conveyor run. Conveyor run right. Yep. Conveyor run. And so in network 3 and OB1, normally open contact, conveyor one running.
What are we having in network 3?
Network 3, normally open contact, conveyor one running. And we're going to drop in a timer. So over on the right hand side in the instructions, timer operations, and you see a bunch of timers in there. We're going to use just the regular TON, that's the generate on delay, and I'll explain the rest of them to you later. Let's grab a timer, drop it in, and you notice it brings up a block, a data block. That's another instance data block. So timers, counters, and what else uses instance data blocks? Timers use instance data block. Counters, function block. So yeah, you just leave it the same name. Go ahead and click OK. Leave it in automatic. It's going to just automatically number it for you. Now, over in the project tree on the left, You see where it says system blocks? Expand that out. Program resources, and open up that data block. And let's talk about what we got here exactly. Everybody got that? So look at the data types of each piece of this. The ST, what do you think that is? Start time, yes. The PT, the preset time. And I'll tell you what the difference is here in just a minute. The ET is the elapsed time. What's the elapsed time?
How long?
The accumulated value. The start time is if you want to start this timer at some other time rather than 0. Doesn't make sense why you would want to use that, but it's there, right? So you can start it, if it's set for 10 seconds, we can start it at 5 seconds if we want.
Cut your production time in half.
There you go.
Yeah.
And look at the data types of the last 3 there. What data types do we have? Yeah. What are those used for? Yeah. They're status bits, right? The RU? Yep. IM is the input. Enable input. These are in, you'll want to make a note of this stuff, because you'll see it again at some point. Let's see if we can find the timers chapter in the book.
Is that camera recording?
Yeah, I got it.
That's in chapter 4, page 99. So you have the timer running bit, the RU. What is that bit? Timer running bit. Yeah, timer time. Right. And then we have this start input. You don't necessarily have to use that, but it's there. And then the output. What's the Q output of that?
Is that the accumulated?
It's the done bit, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And what was the
Uh,
IM?
It's the start input.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, not that we would ever use that for anything, I don't think. But
What was Q again?
it's like the dumb bit.
Q is the dump bit, so you don't say output dump bit, or just dump it?
You just say the timer output, let's see, yeah, but it's just like the dumb bit. When you see it on the test, you know exactly what that's for.
Okay.
What's
Got it.
PT again?
Preset time.
Preset time.
Close it. Or timer running, like the timer timing bit. And back over in OB1, go ahead and set the preset time. It's in milliseconds by default. You can, but if you put in like 10s, it will accept the S as second. It's asking for a tag for elapsed time. We're going to leave it blank for now. we're gonna download and run these here in just a minute, but if we look at the blocks, look at the first block that you call that. You see it has this enable input and this enable output. Yep. So if we wanted to, we could control this block if we wanted to, right? We could put an input here, yeah. That's exactly right. So we could put like a push button right here, or some condition before this block gets executed. E-stop, yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly right, yeah. Yeah. So something to think about. So this won't even run if we have a condition here that's open. If we don't have logic continuity, this one will run.
So if you've got two conveyor lines and one of them full, you can put in a condition tag switch is made, and you can move it for conveyor one, slide conveyor two, and keep on going.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, that's a good example. Good example. Go ahead and download them and watch the timer operation.
I think you could.
Just watch your neighbors run on there.
Oh,
They got it, the database, huh? Nothing happens.
You're not seeing the timer, elapsed time, right? That's right. So we have to create a tag in our PLC tags and put it on that elapsed time to be able to see it.
Like a analog output?
It would be, I think it's a double word. Let's go ahead and do that.
Do we need to go back offline?
You don't have to. You can do it online. Go ahead and just do it, yeah, go ahead and do it online. Go to your PLC tags. And just make a tag called timer value, I guess. And that has to be a,
Is that gonna be in red?
yeah, it's gonna have to be a word. You can make it on the fly too.
Just a regular word?
Yeah. I put MW0, took it. Memory word 0.
It didn't take it.
Didn't like it?
Nope, mine did. Mine did. There we go. It was complaining before.
And then you'll have to refresh, you'll have to re-download after you do that. Since we made changes. Go ahead and put
block.
okay.
Gotta add it down here.
Yeah, let's do this. Make it on the fly, because that might be timer value. What's it telling? The data type word or the actual parameter does not match the data type time, so it has to be a data type time instead of word. I think I made that. Make the data type time in that tag that we just made.
and it's gonna be memory double word?
Yes.
We'll make it that.
So we got time. Like I say, I'm not a senior expert, so bear with me.
You can also put on name.
That worked. Yes.
What was the address for that?
It's MD0.
What have I got?
But I'll- And it should work, should be able to see some elapsed time.
That's good. So that just.
Every time.